Welcome to Grow with Afreen. In today's video, you will learn how to make simple English conversations when you visit a restaurant. So, let's get started. Good evening, sir. Welcome to the King's Restaurant and Bar. How can I help you?
Can we have a table for two, please?
Please, come this way. You can sit here. This is the best table in the restaurant.
Thank you.
My name is Afreen, and I will be your waitress today. Can I get you any drinks?
Yes, we would like 2 glasses of water, please.
Sounds good. I will be right back. 2 glasses of water, here you are. And this is the menu for today. You may have a look. Are you now ready to order your dinner, or would you like a few more minutes?
I think we are ready to order. I will have the vegetable soup to start, and the steak with fries and the Caesar salad.
How do you want the steak cooked, rare, medium, or well done?
I would like it well done, please.
Would you like anything to drink with your meal?
Spiced rum and Diet Coke, please.
For you, madam, what would you like to try today?
Could you please tell me the famous dish of your restaurant?
Sure, what would you prefer, veg or non-veg?
Non-veg, please.
Roasted spicy chicken is one of the best dishes we serve.
Okay, I do not want a starter. I would like to have the roasted spicy chicken with fries and a side salad, please.
Would you like anything to drink with your meal, madam?
1 glass of house white wine, please.
Your meals and drinks will be here shortly. Here are your meals. If you need anything else, please ask. Have a nice meal. How was the food, sir?
It was delicious, thank you.
Would you like to see the dessert menu?
No, thanks. Can we have the bill, please?
Would you like to pay separately or as a group?
Just one bill, please.
Just a minute. I will be right back.
Thank you.
You are welcome.